have a Play-Doh contest
based on My Little Pony, my favorite show ever.
So let's get started. Meg's going to go first, so she's going to draw a hat.
The
magical hat with the big pink flower on it. Now go.
There are only the main 6 in here. So excited. We don't have lots of colors of Play-Doh, so. Because I got Rarity, no! Well, she's one of my favorite ponies, so you can clap for me.
There you go. Okay. All right. So, and I'm going to draw now.
She has no idea. She doesn't watch the show, so.
Well, I don't watch the show,
But she knows what it looks like.
Yeah. I got
Pinkie Pie.
PP. All right.
Okay. The pony I drew was Rarity. So I don't have white Play-Doh, so I got blue for her skin, navy for her hair, just because we have light purple over here, but navy is kind of close to her hair, so I said to do that. So let's start. I'm going to do her head only. Flatten it out. Die. I wish I had like a knife here so I could cut all this stuff. I think I might win this one. I might. Just because I know my old
Maybe.
do. I need to fix this. My head's going to be flat. Don't consider that cheating because we are bad at Play-Doh. Right?
Yep. My head's going to be flat too.
You should have seen my
They're called flat ponies.
You should have seen my Freddy. And her pig Bonnie. Oh, jeez. I need to do that.
Actually, mine's not going to be flat. Yours can be flat, though.
Rarity. She's making really rainbow dash. Oh, gosh. She looks okay. I have to. Oh, dang it. I need her eyes. Can I
just use that? You can do this. See, I'm not a negative person, so.
You think? Okay. It's okay. It's not that bad, but can I please borrow that?
You have to stick with your color.
No, oh gosh.
I get that a lot.
I'm kidding. I beg you.
Fine. One thing.
You're so sweet. Just, what was I doing again? Oh, yeah. That to be like that. That big? Okay, so like I need this now. Now I need it too. Okay, now I need, oh dang it! Her horn. Stop. You're not Freddy, I know you're not. So she's trying to creep me out. Be a good camera lady.
Oops. I'm not your camera lady. I need to live.
Okay, your hair's gonna suck. Your hair's gonna suck.
That's in the way.
Oh, sorry.
I can't see your beautiful pony.
It's not that bad. You have to. It's not horrible, but it's not good. It's not super amazing, and it's not horrible. I have to do her hair.
You'd have to do her purple hair.
Well, I did navy blue for her hair though. Which kind of sucks. Ew. This. Okay, you have to admit it is not horrible, right? It is not. Okay, Liv, your big fat face will
I told you I'm not going to be negative today. I don't feel like it.
Your face.
Excuse me?
Yeah. Excuse you.
Excuse you. Oh, look what I did. I nail polished this.
Okay, I am done with my rarity. Oh, they can't see it. No, you have to show them the good
No,
news.
you have to.
You have to show
pick it up.
Okay, unplug it.
No, you pick it up and show it.
I can't.
You have to mold it together.
Pick it up.
Uh-huh.
No.
Let me do it.
No, you are going to break it, I swear. Just don't be lazy and unplug the iPad for Pete's sake.
The iPad barely has any. Come on, just.
Hey, it's not that bad.
It's the Good Pony.
Okay, just don't poke. It's not all very
I am
bad.
Liv, and my colors are hot pink and orange for Pinkie Pie.
You can't see it? Yeah, P for Pinkie Pie.
Yep. Alright, so I'm not going to do a flat one like Maggie did, but I'm going to do a...
Oh, good luck with that.
That was kind of rude, but whatever. We're both rude, so... Alright, I'm going to...
You know what's funny? Pinkie Pie and Rarity used to be my favorite ponies.
I'm going to make it like the one I did for Five Nights at Freddy's because it looks more like a pony than it does Bonnie. But I told you I'm really bad at sculpting.
And it's true. No, it's not.
Alright, so now I have to... I wish I had gotten an Applejack. That would have been more fun. Because I get to do, like, a cowboy hat on her.
Yeah.
Alright, so now she has blue in her, but whatever.
Ha ha ha, you don't know what color her eyes are. And your big, fat, constipated face.
Whatever, I can just do purple eyes.
Who's your favorite pony? Or find the pony's character, comment down below.
Yeah, you can comment down your favorite pony and same thing with
Liv,
Five Nights at Freddy's.
I think I might have gotten in the video.
Okay, whatever. But comment down below which is your favorite pony and comment down
Hey,
your
Olivia.
favorite pony. So,
Do you have a favorite pony?
yes.
Wait, what? You don't even watch the show, so who's
I
your
like
favorite?
Applejack.
I like Applejack, Fluttershy, Rarity, and I like Fluttershy and Rarity the most. No, not Fluttershy and Applejack. Yeehaw, I'm an Applejack.
How dare you? I like Applejack.
I like her too, since she's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
She is.
I know, I said yeah.
Oh, I
Jeez.
thought you were like, yeah.
Alright, I have to make this perfect.
Let me see this. Like my FNAF.
Yep.
And I have
She's
to,
obsessed with FNAF, by the way.
you guys have no idea. I'm gonna be Freddy for Halloween.
Oh, great. She wants her birthday party at Five Nights at Freddy's.
No, I want it at Freddy Fazbear's. Fredbear's Family Diner.
She's not kidding. There actually is one. It's in Utah.
Hurricane, Utah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was kind of freaking out when I found out.
This is gonna look really creepy.
And there's an eyeball right here on my FNAF sign.
Who's gonna have orange hair because I don't want to do pink hair and a pink body. That's just weird.
If we had dark pink, we could.
I don't have dark pink. Alright. I'm just gonna do her head because I'm too scared to do the rest. So
See, look, angry eye. There's one angry eye. I'll draw the other beautiful angry eye. Five Nights at Freddy's. If that's what I think, I just don't get it. Fredbear's Family Diner. You have no idea, peoples. See, look at my beautiful angry eyes. Also, it comes with her nose in it.
My pony, and I need the back of her hair.
See, look, angry eyes and F and
I thought you liked F and F.
What? What?
I thought you liked F and F.
I know, just Freddy making angry eyes.
Oh, that's Freddy.
Who thinks Foxy gets too much love? I do.
I like Foxy.
Foxy's Foxy.
All right, look at my pony.
You know her eyes
It
are
looks like
actually,
Elvis.
I can't see her. You know her eyes are not actually purple or orange? They're blue! Oh, I told you. I totally told you. Okay, guys.
It's the wonderful pony.